morning, brothers. We are now at San Isidro Labrador Parish at the Diocese of Ipil, Titay, Zamboanga, Cebu. Now, this is one of the two parishes that the Capuchin brothers are serving here in Mindanao. The other one is Our Lady of Assumption Parish in Caburan, Jose Abad Santos, way down south. This is the northernmost part of our Capuchin presence here in Mindanao also. So we will have a short tour of the premises of the parish. Maayong buntag po. So as we can see, one of the parishioners is about to attend the 6 o'clock mass, the daily 6 o'clock mass. And so we are here at the main entrance, and from a distance over there you could see two brothers also waiting for the mass. So straight ahead of us is the priory of the brothers, where our three brothers assigned to this place are staying. Slightly on the right is a function hall where sometimes celebrations are held, where people would gather to have short meetings and sometimes eat. On the right side, over there, this building was previously a kindergarten school, but now it has been converted to a dormitory, and just at the back of this building, to which this building is now presently annexed, is a function area also with dormitories. This kindergarten building, which is now a dormitory, plus the building just at its back, are now the newly renovated Pastoral Formation Center. On the right is a garden.
Good morning.
Good morning po. So another of the parishioners coming in. And on the left side of the friary, as you can see, is the parish church of San Isidro, Labrador. So, my dear brothers, this is Titay, San Isidro, Labrador Parish, the frontage. That is the main highway. Have a nice day.